Hello YouTubers, my name is Chikoza with an X from Ruakoro Music Academy. I'm going to do a praise Ngari and Evangeli. So this is a quick lesson. So the intro, Ngari and Evangeli, to the 5, 4 to the 5, to the 1. So first chord, 4 chord on both ends, to this 5 chord, then back to the 4, then to the 1. After this, now in the verse, you'll be playing a 1, 4, 5, 4, 1. So from the top up until to the verse part. So Ngari and Evangeli, na 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 na. So what I'm playing for the verse part, I'm playing a 1, then a 4, then a 5, then a 4, then a 1. So you can play it like this. Yeah, something like that. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.